All right, everybody, welcome to today's lab, and today we're going to talk about topographic maps. We have a new technology that I'm giving a shot, which is this really cool light board, so hopefully this works for you as well as it's going to work for me. So for those of you that haven't done anything with topographic maps, I want everybody to make sure you have your topographic map that came in your pack, right? So there's the lab kit pack and there's a rolled up map. It's a map of Alabama and Georgia. Topographic maps, as you look at it, there are several things that you need to pay very close attention to. The point of a topographic map is to be able to read a three-dimensional surface on a two-dimensional map. Just as you are staring at my face straight on, you can tell that I have a nose and ears and eyes and everything that goes along with it, but it's not until I turn sideways and you can view my profile that you can see the actual three-dimensional shape. What the goal of topographic maps is to look at a land surface and be able to visualize what the three-dimensional surface looks like. So there are several items on a topographic map that you need to be aware of. The first is contour lines. On your map, you'll see that contour lines are all over the place. Can I have the map, please? Great. So on this example, this is the example you have, you can see these brown lines that are all over this map. There's a cluster of them through here where we're seeing a stream valley, right, that runs up in this direction. All of those topographic contour lines, thank you, I'll get it back in 1 second. Contour lines are those brown lines, and contour lines represent lines of equal elevation. That means that any point on any topographic line will be the same elevation. Therefore, as you might have guessed, topographic lines, contour lines, never cross. Okay, so contour lines, lines of equal elevation. Benchmark. A benchmark is simply one point in a map that has a measured elevation. So instead of having lines, as in contour lines, we have single points. Now, while contour lines will have elevations of, say, 350, 560, something that's of an even number, benchmarks can be anything 372, whatever happens to be measured at that specific point. All right, can I have the map back, please? Thank you very much. If you look down here, near the bottom of your map, you'll see that there's listed an item that's called the contour interval. On this particular map, the contour interval is, I'm not sure what it is, but it's listed there for you. A lot of maps have the contour interval listed at 20 meters, for example. The contour interval is the difference in elevation between contour lines. So I'm going to take a quick look at what the contour interval of this map is, and while you guys go over your map, get an idea for the contour lines, see if you can find a benchmark, recognize what the contour interval is along with the units associated, and then we'll be right back to go through another video. Thank you.